The human eye is a marvel of nature. It is a complex organ that allows us to perceive the world around us. Imagine a camera capturing the beauty and wonder of the cosmos. That is what our eyes do every moment we are awake. They are our windows to the universe, collecting light and sending signals to our brain, which interprets them as images. The eye is a sphere-shaped organ. It sits within the protective bony sockets of our skull. It is responsible for our sense of sight, a sense so fundamental to human experience. It allows us to appreciate art, recognize faces, and navigate our surroundings. In this exploration, we embark on a journey to understand the fascinating mechanisms of this cosmic camera. The outermost layer of the eye provides protection and structure. The white part of the eye, called the sclera, is a tough fibrous tissue. It maintains the shape of the eyeball and protects the delicate structures inside. At the front of the eye, the sclera becomes transparent, forming the cornea. The cornea acts as the eye's first window. Light enters the eye through this transparent dome. It plays a crucial role in bending light rays to focus them on the retina. The cornea is like a powerful lens, initiating the process of image formation. Without the cornea, light would not be properly directed and our vision would be blurry and unclear. Beneath the sclera lies the middle layer, called the choroid. This layer is rich in blood vessels. It supplies nutrients and oxygen to the eye. The choroid also contains a pigment that absorbs excess light, preventing internal reflections. At the front of the eye, the choroid forms the iris, the colored part of the eye. The iris is a muscular ring that controls the size of the pupil. The pupil is the black hole in the center of the iris. It regulates the amount of light that enters the eye. In bright light, the pupil constricts, reducing the amount of light entering the eye. In dim light, the pupil dilates, allowing more light in. This dynamic adjustment ensures optimal vision in varying light conditions. Section 4. The retina's canvas capturing the image. The innermost layer of the eye is the retina. It is a light-sensitive tissue that lines the back of the eyeball. The retina contains millions of specialized cells called photoreceptors. These cells, called rods and cones, convert light into electrical signals. Rods are responsible for vision in low light, while cones are responsible for color vision and visual acuity. When light hits the retina, it triggers chemical reactions in the photoreceptor cells. These reactions generate electrical signals that travel through a network of nerve cells in the retina. The signals converge at the optic nerve, which carries them to the brain. The brain interprets these signals, creating the images we see. Section 5, focusing the lens, a biological autofocus. Behind the iris and pupil lies the lens. It is a transparent biconvex structure that further focuses light onto the retina. The lens is elastic and can change its shape. This allows the eye to focus on objects at varying distances. This process is called accommodation. Muscles called ciliary muscles control the shape of the lens. When we look at a distant object, the ciliary muscles relax and the lens becomes thinner. When we focus on a near object, the ciliary muscles contract and the lens becomes thicker. This dynamic adjustment ensures that the image is always sharply focused on the retina. Section 6. Fluid dynamics, aqueous humor, and vitreous humor. The eye is filled with two transparent fluids that maintain its shape and clarity. The aqueous humor is a watery fluid that fills the space between the cornea and the lens. It provides nutrients to these structures and helps maintain the pressure inside the eye. The vitreous humor is a gel-like substance that fills the larger cavity behind the lens. It helps to hold the retina in place and maintain the shape of the eyeball. Both fluids are essential for the proper functioning of the eye. They work in harmony to ensure optimal vision. Section 7. A marvel of evolution, the human eye. The human eye is a testament to the power of evolution. It is a complex and sophisticated organ. It has evolved over millions of years to provide us with the gift of sight. From the protective sclera to the light-sensitive retina, every part of the eye plays a critical role in our ability to perceive the world. Through the intricate interplay of its parts, the eye captures light, focuses it, and converts it into electrical signals. These signals are then transmitted to the brain, where they are interpreted as images. The eye's ability to adjust to varying light conditions, focus on objects at different distances, and perceive a vast spectrum of colors is truly remarkable. It is a marvel of nature that allows us to appreciate the beauty of our universe.